Assalamualaikum. This is Ariz Hassan and you are watching Geo News. Today's news. A breaking news from Quetta, where a bomb blast occurred earlier today. Indian government passes a bill in their parliament that wearing mask is compulsory for every citizen in public or in any kind of gathering. Pakistan Supreme Court calls Imran Khan in APS attack case. Pakistan cricket team is traveling to Dhaka from Dubai after a successful campaign of T20 World Cup. For further updates, stay tuned.
Wow, this is all good. You know, the best thing is your seriousness. And you spoke, and like the way you spoke, it was like take him seriously. Right? Sometimes when you come here, the way you say Assalamu alaikum, everyone is laughing. Then they never take you seriously. So you set the trend that take me seriously. Keep it up like this. And the voice is so clear, loud. This is good, huh? Just focus. And instead of this Geo News, try to listen to some international English channels, and then it will be further improved. Right? Thank you. Good job.